Hello, beautiful kids. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing great and eating healthy foods, not the bad foods. Okay, so welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. Okay, so let me ask you one thing about the last time that we have learned. Do you remember the last time? Which time we did? He was a naughty boy and he was telling a lie to his father. Now you remember? Yeah, now you remember. Okay, so keep practicing all the rhymes, okay? Now in this rhyme, we will learn about numbers. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Let's start the video. Okay, so in this picture there are two children, girl and a boy. Okay, so and there is a hen. This is hen. Okay, let's start the rhyme. You will all have to sing with me. Let's start now. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Okay, so let me tell you about the rhyme. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Okay, 1 and 2 numbers are saying about buckling the shoe. Now 3, 4, knock the door. Like the girl is knocking the door. Whenever we enter some room, another's room, we should always knock the door. We should always seek the permission. Okay? Knock the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. Like this boy is picking up the sticks. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. And 9, 10, a big fat hen. See, it is a big fat hen, isn't it? Okay, so that is the number rhyme. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. And now everyone have to sing with me. Are you all ready? Let's start the rhyme. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Very nice, everyone. Clap for yourselves. Well done. Now you will practice this rhyme at your home. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.